Ever tried stirring a massive pot of menudo or any large batch outdoors and wished you had a tool built just for the job? The King Kooker stirring paddle is designed to make that exact challenge effortless. If you're someone who loves cooking outdoors, whether it's for family reunions, tailgates, or backyard parties, this paddle promises better control and comfort when handling big pots. I first picked up the King Kooker stirring paddle for our annual family reunion, where we cook huge pots of menudo that require constant stirring. The paddle's length and sturdy design made it easy to reach deep into the pot without risking burns or spills. It's lightweight yet durable, which means no arm fatigue after stirring for a while. Honestly, it changed how we approach large batch cooking. The only thing I wish is that King Kooker would offer stirring spoons in this size too. Imagine the convenience. If you're serious about outdoor cooking, this paddle is worth a look. It's made in the United States, ensuring solid build quality. Plus, its dimensions fit perfectly for stirring large pots without getting in your way. Whether you're making menudo, chili, or any big recipe outdoors, this paddle gives you the control and comfort you need. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cooking setup and make those big meals easier to manage.